we have exciting news about the upcoming iPhone SE 4. This Apple's budget model features a bigger display, improved camera, and impressive battery life. It will also run on Apple's latest chip, enabling cool new Apple Intelligence. In this video, we'll cover the confirmed details, features to expect, price, and release date. With this new device, Apple will change its strategy because it will have a new design. This design will be very similar to the iPhone 14, with the following specifications. First, the screen will change. As you know, we had been using an LCD IPS screen that was very outdated. No device uses it anymore in 2024. The move will be to a much better and larger OLED screen, reaching up to 6.1 inches, which is the same size as the iPhone 14. Of course, with this design, we will have Face ID that replaces Touch ID, the home button, and those huge bezels. We will simply have much easier facial recognition. But pay attention, what's also important is what's inside. We will have the A18 chip. Yes, the same chip found in the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus. In addition, this chip will be compatible with Apple Intelligence, which is Apple's real bet. That is, Apple Intelligence to summarize texts, modify them, change the tone to be more professional, and even create new images using our device, and create emojis. We will also have many functions related to the native mail applications, which will be completely renewed with lots of new features. It will have 8 GB of RAM, which is a significant increase, as this is what will make it compatible with Apple's artificial intelligence, something the standard models of the iPhone 15 will not be able to do. Therefore, anyone who wants to buy a device compatible with AI will have to choose this device, which is also a bit cheaper. It will have USB-C. This standard will be compatible with all devices that Apple has in its store. It will also have its own 5G modem chip, designed initially for this device. It will be a very special modem chip, as Apple wants it to also integrate Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS of its own manufacture. That is, it will not be subject to Qualcomm with its 5G modems, but this chip will be the first introduced by Apple to slightly reduce costs and also integrate within the ecosystem. There is a big doubt regarding the action button. Initially, there were rumors that this device would have it, but Apple may not add this button. This is something that, although the iPhone 16 has it and it was recently added, may not be present in this device, or it might be. It is the biggest uncertainty that exists. The rest is practically confirmed. I also don't think it's a big loss for users, as many people end up not using it. For many, the camera will be the weakest aspect of this device, as it will have only one camera. It is true that, as you can see in the models, on its right there will be a horizontal opening, and there we will have this single camera, which could be, yes, 48 megapixels. That is, it could use the same camera that was used in the iPhone 15, which means we will get the main camera, and perhaps also a digital crop for 2x telephoto, so we can have a bit more flexibility. We will not have the ultra-wide lens, which will be somewhat exclusive to the iPhone 16, 15, and even 14 onwards. But still, it will be very good because we will have portrait mode, night mode, and fully useful video functions to record videos on social media and share them as well. The battery will probably be very similar to the iPhone 14 battery, a very respectable battery in 2024, and I think no one will complain as much as they did with the iPhone SE 3rd generation, where this was the weakest aspect of that device. According to Mark Gurman, the price of this new device is expected to be between $450 and $500. This makes it the most affordable option in Apple's lineup, which means it will cater to those looking for a budget-friendly choice. Despite its lower price, it will offer users access to Apple Intelligence, all while providing a larger screen. If it's released at this price point, I believe it could become one of Apple's most popular products. It is expected to be in spring 2025. Practically everyone agrees, meaning we will have a date that may be in March of next year, around mid-month. Although this is a bit harder to guess. Just so you know, in the first quarter, this device will be released. The iPhone SE 4 marks a major shift for Apple, offering great features at a lower price. It could be the easiest way to access Apple's technology and may become a bestseller. What do you think of this iPhone? Would you consider buying it? I'd appreciate your comments, subscribe, and a thumbs up for the video. If you enjoyed this video, you will likely enjoy this one as well. Make sure to watch it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.